I'm done with bullshit. At this point, I'm merely amused. 22, checking in, it's like a yearly review. I ain't making no commitments unless I'm seeing it through. And that shit.
Whenever I champion, I Daren Sammy. Champion.
Yeah, so we in Sufra now, about to take some shots. The one of the chairman's reserve shots. We just about to take some car shots. Rolling car, a drone shot of the car. I will take a ND8 or 16.
I need it soda. Yeah, it have no sun hash.
I will not eat. My gimbal self-tracking now. I have to watch how I shoot things out. Yeah, so I have to go more so the truth. So it good. You will just get him. So I could tell you if like another vehicle in the frame, then you'll come back and the guys a lone shot.
You understand the shot.
Check it. So you'll be in the vehicle, watch for the shot I want. You see the same place you're driving, that's perfect. So while you're shooting that, I will just tell you if to turn, come back again. Alright?
So 2 shots you on there, one will be the Peters in the background and top down.
Yeah, on the top down. I hit 2 shots. If anything, I use the top down. I just take this. They come out good. He'll go to you and then you'll directly, I'll call him and then he'll direct. Okay. So we'll do the drone shot on the mount first. And then we come in the vehicle and take some shots before we come in.
Alright.
Yeah, to give that back.
So I'm going to take a shot before we drive.
So come on. Hey all, so what happened there? The ride was a bit too dirty for the shots, so we told him go and get a little car wash or just freshen up the outside. So we're just waiting now. It's like a waiting game again, but you know the ride looking tough, you know, bends and things. You can't go wrong with a bend. So when he come back, we got to mount it. We got to do some drive-bys with he in the vehicle and thing. And then after that, Sean about to take some drone shots of the ride going by. Then we'll take some interior shots. And then we go do 1-2 flybys.
What's the time?
And then, you know.
I charted my path, made the tough decisions, and had the courage to move forward.
Alright, so we just reached the villa, as you could see. As you could see, it's a big Lvmi. You drinking on the job?
What do you want?
Man like me, I don't need them type of things. I want nothing.
You're eating pork.
Pork, yeah.
Coming out. Just one shot. Coming out. No.
Okay.
I aspire to inspire others, to build a legacy. For success isn't just about the goals achieved. To me, we connect through stories, right? That is important to me as a ST.LUCIA, and a damn proud one. That is, if you understand the journey of ST.LUCIA distillers.
Everything went well. I don't gonna lie. It was successfully. It was a bit hectic for us, but you know we just did what we had to get done. We had the shots, even though we didn't go step by step. We just do what we had to do. You check?
I like the vibe because today I couldn't vlog.
Yeah,
Today I was out of it.
Yeah, the man was overworking there.
Today wasn't my best day. Check it. I know it's because of the flu. Like, boy, my head just wasn't there.
Yeah, that's what we understand. You know, you working on the cold there. You check? You got cut there. Get out of here.
I just need the assistance
Feeling good?
from the team.
Oh, I feeling.
Feeling a little mashed up there, but that ain't. Then in
Take some fire shots.
could have some tough shots. Say Daren Sammy go post that in his Grammy.
Man, they tire me out, thinking I need a required amount to be happy. Stupid ass, it's like chasing a high.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Nah. But yeah, people, we back in the next shoot. You know, that's the part 2 to the Daren Sammy shoot. We're doing 3 videos for him. So, you know, we just reached the spot. You know, you'll see the little thing on top.
Another shoot day in the life of Lvmi Cloud. Yeah, we're about to take some shots of a famous athlete. Just get some shots of him in the spot, doing his vibe, you know. We have a nice script planned out, you know. We're gonna do the first scene. We're gonna do the first scene with him at the clubhouse, and then the next scene will be on the course, and then we're going back to the clubhouse for the final shoot. Now we're setting up. As you could see, Paul is setting up the cameras. We're gonna have one camera on the gimbal and the other handheld. I'll have the handheld and Paul will have the gimbal. We're just getting ready for the first scene, which is the walkthrough with his friends. I think it's good. Yeah. But I was thinking just take out the filter for just that shot. Sure. Most of the script, yeah? And then we're taking some shots of y'all playing golf. So we need a lot of action shots playing golf. And then we're doing a suspense where you're about to put in one. Put the ball, yeah. And then after that, then we start to hear your voice again. We have a little celebration and we hear your voice again. At the end, you're drinking.
And then when we come back, we're inside here?
Yeah, inside in the balcony here. All right. Yeah. So hopefully that is like around when the sun's setting, a nice soft light.
Ball in the hole.
Oh, okay.
Right? So you have 20 shots.
Yeah.
Maybe if I birdie do it in 4, then you'll have 1 shot less.
Alright.
You'll have shot after, because when we hit the ball, it don't reach it on the green one time.
Yeah.
You reach in there and then you have to hit another club to get it there. You know, I might be in the bush. I might be in the bush. Man, I thought you had to get involved, man. Get involved. Chris, so you don't call me to play golf no more. You take so much of my money, right?
No, you know, what's a funny thing?
What's up,
You
you?
call me, ask him how the conditions
Good.
right?
Yeah, man.
I didn't realize it's next Monday you're going.
You could make the fellas pose at the end. Like just group shot before them. Probably in front of there or inside. Well, no flash. Just sometimes we get a good shot there and have a flash.
Action.
Yeah. Just let me see your film. Yeah, take a while. Take it while. Alright, go. You know, just.
That's normal enough.
You want us audio? No. You want us mic'd up?
Nah, the mic. We are.
Is it all set?
So, okay, wait, before you hit it. So I want you here, at least 2 of y'all here. So I'll just take a shot like, yeah, between y'all, so y'all watching him. Yeah. Alright. Just I'll tell you when.
Having conversations, it's just me and me. List of thoughts are piling like lines are at the DMV. Everything is handled, please, one at a time. Take a break, no, I'm here for the ride. Now let it slide. Slide, let it slide. Yeah. I've I've been putting out these hits, motherfucker. Who you think that I am? It's Mr. Always Overcome when on the brink of it.
Get a good shot.
Gaza, swag with them boy.
That,
Some gas.
that they're rolling back, they're ready to go in the fort.
Paul, what your gas stand on there? It look like Oja. Man,
Let me check. You get them?
no dog, I get them.
Okay, look on top there.
Them fellas all across, they realize them money.
Oh, they probably cross the line. Oh, that's over them there.
What else? What else?
So we're going so.
The brink of a jam, I'll be damned if I don't ever have the power to thrive. I ain't waiting till my flowers arrive. I'll pat my own back. They said it's not.
So y'all eat those show and so talk to us there. Alright, go. This how? Alright, after so like y'all need to like interact, right? Like you know a little same kind of energy. Alright, go.
Right, I'll pay you tomorrow. Sammy already. Sammy, I'll pay you tomorrow. I want my money, yeah. Alright, fellas.
Alright, man, take
All right.
care. Respect, eh?
Member charge. Shan, member charge.
See you all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Friday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah,
Sean,
so
forget.
step back a little, like, and put it.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Good work, good work. Alright, let's have one more time. That was perfect, eh?
That's good.
That's how about.
And then after, just step on the.
Okay, sure. Ready?
The chairman.
That's what he wants.
Okay.
Can you move, put the glass out of the room? Yeah. Put it down. Alright. So you do that before?
Action.
Alright, go.